Hello students, in our last class we saw how we can convert a given binary number to decimal. So we have learned so far that how we can convert any given decimal number to binary, to octal, to hexadecimal. And in our previous class we learned how we can convert a given binary to, a decimal. In this class we'll learn uh, how to convert a given number to octal or hexadecimal and all. Okay. So we'll be working with binary, octal, and hexadecimal. So in order to properly understand hexadecimal and octal conversion, uh, we need to know something. We need to learn simple binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic simply means how we can add or subtract binary numbers. Uh, Learning only adding a binary number may help you a lot. So we'll see normally how to add two binary numbers. Okay, so let us begin with something. 10011. Okay, this is some kind of binary number. Okay, now if I want to add 1101, suppose these two are binary numbers and we want the sum of these binary numbers. I don't know what is the decimal equivalent of this. Even I have no idea about what is the decimal equivalent of it. Means if you have no idea about the given binary number, what number is that, and then you have to perform the operation, then how we could do this. This is going to be very important topic. So you need to be very careful. So look, it's quite very simple. The first thing you should keep in your mind is very simple. So as we do, let us have a normal, this is a decimal number, any decimal number, and this is any other decimal number. Now if you want to add them, then what do we normally do? We do like this. We start from the extreme right hand side. 6 plus 6, what do we get? We get 12. 12, 2 we write and we carry forward 1. You know this. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, 11 ka 1, and then the 1 carry forward to the left side as you go. Then 4 plus 3, that is 7, plus carried 1, that is 8, 8, and then 2. So this is how we do the sum, or we can verify it also by doing the some simple operation. Look, so this is how we add a decimal number. So what do you have to keep in your mind? The same way we can also add a given binary number. Let us see. So what is in the extreme left side? We have 1 and we have 1. So 1 plus 1, what do we get? 1 plus 1 is always 2. Yes, 1 plus 1 is always 2. You cannot change it. No one can change it. Not even God has power to change 1 plus 1. It changes 2. It's other than that. So it's a universal truth kind of thing, and it cannot be changed. So despite of whatever number system we are using, 1 plus 1 will be always 2 and not anything else. But since we are working in binary format or binary system, so 1 plus 1 makes 2, but we cannot write 2. Why we cannot write 2? Because 2, this symbol, is not there in binary number system. Okay, then 2 is not there. In binary number system, we have 0 and 1 only. So how do we represent 2? 2 is represented at 1 0. 1 0 is equal to 2. Okay, this is in, you know all these things, and if you don't, then let me tell you what I'm trying to, it may take some time. For smart students, it may be easy. For slow learners, you need to give some time, and I want to tell all the things very clearly. Okay, this is the representation to clearly say that 1 0 is 2. Okay, or if you want to verify it, we have calculator. Switch to the program, okay, write 2. Now see the binary. 1 0 is the binary. You can see 1 0. So verified. No need to worry much about this. So while doing the addition, 1 plus 1, we say 2, but we say it in a binary language. 1 plus 1 makes 1 0. Why 1 0? Because 1 0 is 2. So we write 1 0 ka 0 and then carry forward 1 to the left side. And what it comes in the left side? It's in left side, it is 1 and it is 0. So 1 plus 0, what it makes? 1 plus 0 is 1. But plus 1 of the previous addition, what I want to say is this one plus this one. 1 plus 1 makes 2 and 2 is written as 1 0. तो 1 0 का 0 यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे और ये जो 1 है ये कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो पहले 1 plus 0 0 और कैरीड वाला 1. तो अगेन ये हो गया 1 plus 1 plus 0. तो ये अगेन 2 हो रहा है. तो अगेन जो 2 हो रहा है तो यहाँ पर 2 का बाइनरी क्या होता है? वी हैव 2 बाइनरी एज 1 0. तो 1 0 का 0 अगेन and then 1 again carried forward to the next left side. So again the same case, 0 plus 1 1 and the carried 1 1 plus 1 again it became 2 2 0 1 0 1 0 ka 0 and 1 again carried forward. And again what is coming here? So again the same thing, 1 plus 0 1 plus carried forward 1 2 2 ka hota hai 1 0 0 and 1 again carried forward and 1 plus carried forward 1. So 1 plus 1 1 0, so 1 0. Okay, so now let us check using a simple function in Excel, bin to dec. It converts binary to decimal. This is suppose binary, this is 19. Press Ctrl D to forward the formula. This is 13 and this is 32. 19 plus 13 makes 32 and this also is 32. Okay, if you need to verify it, although it is verified, fully verified, but if you still want to verify, use the programmer's calculator and write in binary, click the binary and write 10011. What it makes? It makes decimal 19. Look at this, 9 decimal binary this. And then write 1101. This makes 13. And then write 1, then 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. It makes 32. So this is how we have got the sum of what? The binary numbers. So this is how we add the numbers. Now let us take any other random number. 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. Or what can we do? Can we take 3 digits also? 3 binary? Of course you can do. Let us take another one. 1 1 0 0 1. Okay. Okay. So how can we add now? So let us do one thing. Now we have got the decimal equivalent also, okay, of these binary numbers, and then we'll follow the same adding rule. What the rule says, add the numbers and start from the right hand side. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 makes what? 3. Yes, 1 plus 1 plus 1 makes what? 3. So you need to know the binary of 3. It's quite easy. 3 को 2 से divide करेंगे. So 2 1 जा 2, बचा कितना? 1. Okay, so नीचे से ऊपर की ओर, that we have already learned how to convert it. So 1 1. So 3 in decimal is equal to 1 1 in binary. Okay, now it is clear. If it is not clear, you may verify it here also. Choose the decimal and write 3. See the binary, 1 1 is coming. This is also verified. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, it makes 1 1. So 1 1 का 1 हम लोग यहाँ लिखेंगे. And then what? We'll carry forward the another one to the next side. So next side it is 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1 plus the carried 1. 1 plus 1 again makes 2, that is 1 0 का 0. अगला 1 फिर इधर फॉरवर्ड होगा, इधर सब 0 है, 0 0 0 plus the carried 1, that makes it 1. And then what? 1. And then again 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 3 का होता है 1 1, 1 1 का 1 and a carried forward 1. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 again 3. 3 makes 1 1. So this is what? 61. इन तीनों का सम वैसे भी 61 होता है. Okay. Find it. This plus this plus this. This is also we can do in Excel. 61. So dear students, this is how we learn that how we can add 2 or 3 given binary number. And yes, of course, you can do the same with subtraction also, but since we have to learn something else, so we'll see these things sometime other time. So this is how we learned how we can add, at least add 2 binary numbers or 3 binary numbers or 4 binary number. If you haven't understood, you may watch the video again to understand it in proper way. And still, if you have problem, you may ask through comments or through in a class. So, okay, now let us try to understand something what I wanted to make you understand with these things. Okay, dear students, now let us first take octal number system. In octal number system, now whatever I'm going to tell you now is extremely important. This will help you to understand the other topics when you will go in the higher class. Octal number system contains digits from 0 to 7. What are all those 8 digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, these all are the digits. Why again these things? So I just want to tell you something. Now, which is the largest number in this series? Of course, 7 is the largest among them. Okay, so 7 is the largest number. What is the binary of 7? There are a lot of ways to find binary. You have learned how to convert a given decimal number to binary. You can use this dec to bin function. Look at this. You cannot use it anytime. For a smaller decimal number, it works. For a larger number, you need to use calculator. 111. If you still want to verify, then just choose decimal and write here 7. You will see 111 is the binary of 7. Okay. What does this prove? It proves nothing, but it just tells you something. It tells that 111 is the largest 3-digit binary number. Means if you want to represent the largest number using 3 binary digits, this is that. Now you might have studied in your class that which is the largest 3-digit decimal number. So of course your answer would be 999. So 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Means using 3 digits, this is the largest number that can be represented. No other number could be as large as this if you have only 3 digits to be given to it. The same way in binary, if you are provided only 3 digits to be used, then 111 can be written there, and 111 is 7. Okay. So what comes after 7? This minus 1, it's 6. And this way, we have the set of all the octal numbers. And using the same formula, we can find the the binary of all the numbers. 6 का binary ये होता है, इसका ये होता है, ऐसे like we can do. So this is how we have done. So let me tell you another way of finding out this. So let us begin with 0. Now what is the binary of 0? Of course 0. What is the binary of 1? Of course 1. What is the binary of 2? 2 का binary क्या होता है? We know it, but 1 plus 1, 2. 2 का binary 1 0 होता है. अब ये 1 0 है, ध्यान देना बच्चा लोग. 1 0 में अगर हम 1 जोड़ेंगे तो क्या होगा? 0 plus 1 1, and this one again 1 1. Okay, 1 1, fine. अब 1 1 में एक और 1 हम जोड़ देंगे. Now we have to add these two numbers, these two binary numbers. Then what? 1 plus 1 makes 2. 2 का 0, हाथ में 1 वाला 1, and then again this side 1 1 plus the carried 1. 1 plus 1 2, that is 1 0. Or this time we'll write full 1 0. Now this is 1 0. It's not 100. It's 1 0 0. This is a binary of 4. Yes, mind it. Again, if you'll add 1 to this, then 0 plus 1 makes 0, and then nothing is there, 0, and then 1. This is 1 0 1. That is 5. And now what? One more added to it. What it gives? 1 plus 1 ka 1 0, then 1 plus 0 1, and then 1. This is 1 1 0. And lastly, when we'll add 1 to this, then 0 plus 1 1, and this 1 and this 1. This 1 1 1. So this is how we can find the series of the numbers. Various ways are there through which we can get the numbers. The same way we can find the binary of 8 also, although it is not relevant to this topic, but just I want to show you. 8 का binary क्या होगा? You just try to find it out, or let us find it out. 1 plus 1 का 0, फिर 1 तो 0 है, समझा जाएगा 1, और carried वाला 1, that one's 1 0 again, then 0, and then 1 plus carried 1 1 and 1 0. So this is what? This is 8. If you want to still verify it, you can do it any other way. Binary में 1 0 0 0 लिखो. What is this? This is 8 in decimal. Quite easy to understand. So dear students, we have seen various ways of converting a given number to this, and adding, and how we can derive the next number. Okay, suppose 65. Okay, what is the 65? So 65 is the, let us find it using the formula, huh? That is dec to bin, huh? Give this number. So this is the 65. Now what will be 66? So we can add 1 to it and get 66. Okay, so first let it be aligned to this side so that addition, huh? So what will be the 1 plus 1 0 1 0 1 0 का 0, हाथ में 1, हाथ में 1 का 1 इधर, and rest what? Rest 0 0 0 0 1. So this is what we got by adding just 1 to 65. And let us find it. What is this number? By bin to dec, binary to decimal, huh? 66. So with all these examples, it should be now clear to you that what I want to convey to you. So let us remove all these things and make our screen a little lighter to understand what I want to tell you. So dear students, what we have to do now, we have to understand, either you see this or you see this, both are same. Remove this. So you have to see the largest number among them, that's of course is 7, and you have to also see the largest number contains how many digits. It contains 3 digits, 3 binary digits, or 3 bits. Binary digit को ही short में we call bits. So it contains 3 bits, it also contains 3 bit, but it contains 2 bit. So what we need to do to work properly, we need to convert all the numbers in 3 bits. Why? Because the largest number contains 3 bits. What is the reason behind this? There is some reason that you'll understand automatically. So let us do it or convert it in 3 bits. So in Excel, you need to put a 1 apostrophe and then you need to press 0. Or let us do one thing to realign this side. No. Now one more 0 will make it of 3 digits. Now we need 2 more digits to make it of 3 digits. And yes. So now all the digits are of 3 bits. So now this is in 3-bit format, and if you want to see, you might be watching that this also follows the protocol of 4 bit. There's a reason behind this also. You'll all understand this. The calculator also tells you everything in a 4 bit. Let us see. If you want to convert a number to like 3, then also it shows you in a 4-bit format. There's a reason behind. You'll understand it. So for the same reason, or for our purpose, we have also converted these two. Now here comes what? Here comes something. Suppose there is a number 56. Okay. Let us consider this number is in octal format. Okay. Let us write this in octal. And we know how to write it in octal like this. Okay. Let us check this in octal. Press octal and write what? 56. Look at this. In octal it's 56, in decimal it is 46, and it is 2, it is binary like this. This is now if you want to convert this number to binary, then see how easy it is. From this list, find the binary of 5, 101, okay, and then binary of 6, 110. So you just all together you write. First you write binary of 5, that is 101, and then you write binary of 6, that is 110. Now this is the binary equivalent of octal number. Quite easy. Verify it. 101110, 101110. Look how simple this is. And the same way, if any large number is there, like 4, 5, 7, 3, if it is in octal, okay, let me do the copy and paste to reduce my effort. 2, 4, 6, 7. Suppose this is in octal. What will be the binary? So first we need to write the binary of 2, that is 0, 1, 0. Then what? 4. 4 is 1, 0, 0. You have to see from the list. Then 6, 1, 1, 0. And then what? 7, 1, 1, 1. So this is the binary of this octal. Let us verify this. Choose octal and write 2, 4, 6, 7. Now verify it. 101, 0011, 101, 0011, 0. This is how we can do this. So, dear students, this is how we convert a given octal number to binary. And if you want to convert a given binary number to octal, that can be also using the same way. Okay. So let me tell you the way also. If suppose we want to convert this number in back to octal, then what? You need to make 3 bits of group of 3 bits. Okay. So this first 3 bit, next 3 bit, another 3 bit, and this contain only 2 bit. So third bit may be 0. So now what? Write the binary of this. You can find it from the list. It is 7. Now what? The next 3 bit 110, it is 6. Now 100, it is 4. And then 10 is 2. So this is, or you can write any random number 110010110001. ये मान लो ये कोई नंबर है, तो देखो कि ये 3 बिट का बाइनरी ये हो गया. ये क्या है? 010, 010, that makes 2. अगला क्या आ रहा है? 110, और read from this side 011. The 11 means 3. यहाँ तक हो गया. फिर क्या है हमारे पास? 001, that makes 1. And then what we have? 011. 0 is not visible, but 11 is there, so 2 bit. So 11 is what? 3. So look, this 3132. Now let us verify it. So I have written any binary. So write any number in binary. What is the number? 110010111010. Look, octal equivalent is 3132. 3132. So dear students, we have learned to work with binary and octal numbers You can easily convert a given octal number to binary and a given binary number to octal. You just need to know what? You just need to know this particular thing. So thank you for today. If you have anything to ask, you may ask.